Dialogue 1. Overrated Restaurant.
Hello, Jane. How are you?
Hi, John. I'm doing well.
Have you been to that new restaurant?
Yes, I went there yesterday.
How was it? Was it good?
Honestly, I didn't like it.
Really? Why didn't you like it?
The food was too salty.
That doesn't sound good at all.
The prices were too high too.
Oh, that's disappointing. So overrated.
Yes, many people think it's amazing.
It's always so crowded, right?
Yes, the line is always long.
Why do people still go then?
Many people follow trends blindly.
I guess that's true for many places.
It's hard to find good food.
I want to eat somewhere good.
Me too, but it's hard.
Have you tried that small cafe?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
Yes, it's cheap and tasty.
Sounds perfect. I'll check it out.
I think you'll really enjoy it.
I'll go there this weekend.
Let me know how it is.
Of course, I'll tell you.
I'm tired of overrated restaurants.
Me too. Good food is better. Dialogue 2. Overrated Store.
Hi, Jane. How is your day?
Hello, Nancy. My day is fine.
Have you been to that store?
Yes, I went there yesterday.
How was it? Did you like it?
Honestly, I didn't like it.
Why not? What was wrong?
The clothes were too expensive.
That's disappointing. Were they stylish?
No, they were very plain.
I don't understand why people buy.
It's very overrated and popular.
Everyone seems to love this store.
Yes, but it's not worth it.
The quality must be bad too.
Yes, the fabric felt very cheap.
I don't want to shop there.
I agree. It's just a trend.
Why is it so crowded then?
Many people follow the latest trends.
Trends can be very expensive, though.
Yes, and they are often useless.
I prefer simple, good quality clothes.
Me too, they last longer.
Have you tried that other store?
No, which one do you mean?
It's cheaper and has better items.
Sounds good. I'll check it out.
Let me know what you think.
Of course, I'll tell you soon. Dialogue 3. Picking a movie.
Hello, Jane. How are you?
I'm good, Sarah. How about you?
I'm great, thanks for asking.
What do you want to do?
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Sounds fun. What should we watch?
How about an action movie?
I prefer romantic movies, actually.
Romantic movies are nice too.
Do you like romantic comedies?
Yes, I enjoy romantic comedies.
Great. Do you have a favorite?
I like The Proposal a lot.
I love that movie. It's funny.
Do you want to watch it?
Sure. I haven't seen it in a while.
Okay, I'll check if it's on.
I hope it's available to stream.
Let me see. I found it.
Yay. Let's watch it now.
Are you ready to start?
Yes, I'm all set.
I'll get the popcorn.
Don't forget the drinks, please.
I'm getting water and soda.
Perfect. I'm so excited now.
Me too. Let's enjoy the movie.
I hope it's as funny as before.
I'm sure it will be.
Let's start it now. I'm ready. Dialogue 4. 2 tickets for a movie. Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing well.
I have tickets for a movie.
Oh. What movie are we seeing?
It's a new adventure movie.
That sounds exciting. When is it?
The movie is this Friday.
I'm busy this Friday, sorry.
Oh, that's too bad. Why?
I'm going to a wedding.
What time is the wedding?
The wedding starts at 4 p.m.
We can go after the wedding.
That's a great idea.
The movie starts at 7 p.m.
I think I can make it.
We can meet at 6:30.
Okay, I'll be there at 6:30.
Great. I'm so excited for this.
Me too. I've been waiting.
I'll buy popcorn and drinks.
Perfect. I'll get the candy.
We'll make this a fun night.
It's going to be amazing.
I hope it's as good as they say.
I'm sure it will be fun.
I'll pick you up at 6:30.
I'll be ready and waiting.
Can't wait to watch the movie.
Me neither. It's going to be great.
Dialogue 5. Secret ingredient. Hi, Helen. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing well.
I'm thinking of baking today.
That sounds fun. What will you bake?
I want to bake cookies.
Oh, I love homemade cookies.
Do you have a favorite recipe?
Yes, I have a special recipe.
What makes your recipe special?
It has a secret ingredient inside.
What's the secret ingredient?
I can't tell you. It's a secret.
That sounds mysterious. What is it?
If I tell, it won't be secret.
Maybe you could give me a hint.
It's something sweet, but different.
Is it honey or vanilla?
No, it's not either of those.
Is it a type of spice?
Not a spice. It's a fruit.
A fruit? That's interesting. Which one?
I can't say. You'll have to guess.
Is it something like apple or berry?
You're getting close, but no.
I'm so curious. Tell me more.
I think you'll love it, though.
I can't wait to try it.
I'll bake them for you sometime.
I would love to taste them.
I'll surprise you with the secret.
Dialogue 6. Best recipe.
Hi, Jane. How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good. Have you cooked today?
Not yet. What about you?
I just made a special dish.
What did you make?
I made a chicken curry.
That sounds interesting. How was it?
It was amazing. Very flavorful.
What makes it so special?
I use garlic, ginger, and coconut milk.
That sounds delicious. Is it spicy?
Yes, it has a little spice.
I love spicy food.
Would you like to try it?
Yes. I'd love to try.
Great. But we need more ingredients.
What do we need to buy?
We need chicken, curry powder, and coconut milk.
Okay, let's go to the market.
I also need fresh cilantro.
Got it. What else do we need?
Some rice to go with it.
Sounds perfect. I'm getting hungry.
We can eat it tonight.
I can't wait to taste it.
I think it will be amazing.
I'm sure it will be.
Let's go to the grocery store.
Okay, I'm excited to cook together. Dialogue 7. A terrible accident. Hello, John. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing well.
I heard about an accident today.
What happened? Was it serious?
Yes, it was a terrible accident.
Oh no. Was anyone hurt?
I'm not sure. There were ambulances.
That's scary. Where did it happen?
It happened near the bridge.
Was it on the main road?
Yes, it blocked traffic for hours.
That must have been frustrating.
It was. People were stuck for hours.
I hope everyone is all right.
I hope so too. It was bad.
Did you see the accident?
No, but I saw the cars.
How many cars were involved?
There were 3 cars, I think.
That sounds like a big crash.
Yes, it was. The cars were damaged.
I'm sure the police are investigating.
Yes, they were already there.
I wonder what caused the crash.
Maybe it was the rain.
Bad weather can cause accidents.
Yes, people drive too fast sometimes.
I hope they fix the road soon.
I think they will. It's important.
Yes, safety is always the priority.
Dialogue 8. Stuck in traffic.
Hi, Steve. How are you today?
Hello, Helen. I'm doing fine.
Are you on your way home?
Yes, but I'm stuck in traffic.
Oh no. What happened?
I'm not sure. It's slow.
Is there an accident ahead?
I don't see any accidents.
Maybe there is construction on the road.
Yes, that might be the reason.
Should I wait for you?
No, please go ahead without me.
Should I call the restaurant?
Can you try to change the time?
Sure, I'll ask them for later.
Thanks. I hope it works.
I will call the restaurant now.
I hope the traffic clears soon.
Please don't talk on your phone.
You're right. I'll stop talking.
It's safer to focus on driving.
Yes, I will drive carefully now.
Is the traffic moving a bit?
Yes, it's starting to move slowly.
Great. I hope it gets better.
It's better now. I can go.
I'm glad the traffic is better.
Yes, I'll see you soon.
Drive carefully and take your time.
Thank you. I'll be there shortly.
Dialogue 9. Underrated Restaurant. Hi, Helen. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing well.
Have you tried that restaurant?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
Yes, it's really underrated.
What's special about this place?
The food is fresh and tasty.
I like fresh food. Sounds great.
The staff is friendly too.
That's important for a restaurant.
Yes, it makes the experience better.
Why do you think it's underrated?
Not many people know about it.
That's surprising. It sounds amazing.
I think it's a hidden gem.
I'll definitely check it out soon.
I hope it stays quiet, though.
Me too. Crowded places are annoying.
The food will get more popular.
It deserves more customers, for sure.
If it gets busy, I'll avoid it.
I understand. Crowded restaurants can be uncomfortable.
But it's a small, cozy place.
I like small, quiet restaurants.
I think it's the best kept secret.
I agree. I don't want crowds.
I'll go again next weekend.
Maybe I can join you then?
Sure. Let's enjoy the food together.
I'm excited. See you next weekend.
Dialogue 10. Underrated actor.
Hi, Jane. How are you?
Hi, John. I'm doing fine.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, I do. Who's yours?
My favorite actor is underrated.
Who is he? I'm curious.
His name is Tom Reed.
I don't know him. Why not?
He's a great actor, really.
Why isn't he more famous?
He isn't very popular, sadly.
I see. What's special about him?
He plays deep, complex characters.
That sounds interesting. Is he handsome?
Not really, but he's talented.
Many actors aren't handsome, though.
True, but his roles are unique.
What kind of roles does he play?
He often plays villains or bad guys.
That's different. People like good guys.
Yes, but he's amazing at villains.
Is that why he's underrated?
I think so. People love heroes.
Maybe he should try other roles.
I agree. He needs variety.
He could show his range.
I hope he gets better roles.
He deserves more recognition, for sure.
Yes. He's a very talented actor.
I'll watch his movies soon, then.